Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Fadila's Kitchen. As you can see on the screen, we're going to make prawns and vegetables stir fry. Yes, so it is our ingredients on the screen. We have some bell peppers, red and yellow, broccoli, black soy, black pepper, powder, our prawns and carrots, cornstarch, blended ginger and garlic and scotch bonnet. So easy as it looks, yes, and so small. Is it small? Yeah, small. How do you call it? Ingredients. So in the pan, I just added some 3 tablespoons of oil. You don't need that much. You just need to fry your thing. That's it. So I just pour in the blended garlic and ginger and scotch bonnet. I'll fry it a bit for yeah for aroma. So whilst that is done, if you don't have that blended stuff at hand, you can just grate your ginger, a bit of ginger and garlic, and your chili powder will do. So as that in, I'm going in with my chopped onions. Yes, so I'll just mix that again and let it fry for just 2 minutes. This is the simplest sauce you can do to eat your rice rather than stew. Stew takes quite a long time. So when you're late and you need something healthy and something to eat with your rice, this is the easy option. So I went in with my carrots. The carrots is the frozen one anyway, so it's a bit softer, so you don't need too much time. So if you have the one that is not cooked or something, you just leave it for a bit of time to cook a bit, isn't it? So because we're using prawns, we didn't go in first with our prawns because I don't like to cook my prawns for long, because when you do it like that, it becomes so hard. When you're eating, it's not nice. It becomes very chewable, to chew, whatever the word is. So after that, I just went in with my broccoli. Yeah, because of the stem of it, it goes in first before the bell. How do you call the bell peppers? Because we need the stem to be a bit softer, but not too soft anyway. So as that is in, I'll go in with my seasoning for it to get all the flavors and seasoning and spices that it needs. Yeah. So easy like that. Yeah, it won't take like 30 minutes. Your sauce will be done whilst your rice is in the rice cooker. So I just added 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and that was it because it has salt in it, so I don't need too much salt again. So I mix everything again and leave it to cook. Yes, so easy. So because my prawns will go in late, I want it also to get all the seasoning that it needs. So I'll just marinate it and put it aside for it to get to get well marinated. So I'll go in with my chicken seasoning again. Yes. So I'll mix it, and then the cornstarch, because the prawns will go in later, I'll just pour the cornstarch in next. So I'm doing 2 jobs at the same time. Other than like putting water and dilute it in and pour it, I'll just marinate it with my prawns. When it goes in, it will thicken the sauce and the vegetables. So in this sauce, some people, I wonder how they like it dry, which I don't like it like that, because when you're eating your rice, you need some sauce to go with it. So I need a little bit of water, but I'm not going to add water because vegetable extract water. The amount of water is what you get from vegetables. So if you don't want too much sauce, you leave it open throughout your cooking. You see, I haven't covered it, but still there's water in it. So I am per se like a bit of too much of the sauce to eat my rice with. So I'll cover it just for a minute or two for the how do you call it, the sauce to be much more. So I added my bell pepper because it's the softest. So I won't let it cook. I'll just go ahead and add in my prawns, my marinated prawns. As I said earlier, the prawns has the cornstarch that will thicken the sauce. You get it? So if you don't want to do that, you can as well mix it with little water and pour it and thickens. But it's the same thing, So I just went with black pepper and black soy just for color, and black pepper and dill powder. So as easy as that, and it's so delicious and healthy as well. So in goes in the prawns. The prawns just takes roughly a minute or two. Yeah. So after I add that the prawns in, I will just cover it for minutes because I need more of the sauce. But some people that can just leave it if you don't want too much sauce. But I prefer it that way. I don't know if I'm explaining too much, but I have to, because people have to understand why I'm doing that way. So you see, the prawns and the cornstarch, it has just gone in, so the sauce will take it right away. See, you see, but then I want it too saucy, so I'll cover it for a minute. So after covering, look how it looks. You see the water from the vegetables, so don't add any water because then it will be too watery. The water will be too much that you won't like it. So for a minute, for this, the water to the vegetable to extract a bit of water to make your sauce saucy. Anyway, so this is it. It's just done. So my prawns just need a minute and it will be done, because it all needs to turn a light pink. Then you know it's cooked. But don't let it stay on the fire for too long. If you do that, your prawns will be too hard and it won't be nice to eat. But you know you like your prawns to be crunchy. That shows, so try that and let me know how it went. Yeah, so thank you very much once again, my subscribers. I can't thank you enough. You've been so loyal to me from day one. I can't imagine. Thank you very much. And my returning subscribers, thank you very much once again. Yeah, so you can share and let us get bigger. And then as well, you can like and leave a nice comment if you want me to do any recipe, you just comment down below. Look how it is, so amazing, colorful, delicious, and so now you can just eat this with your rice and it's healthy as well. So thank you very much once again. Please share, like, comment, and let's head to the serving part. Yeah, so easy, isn't it? So I'll bring you how I do my chicken breast and my beef stir fry as well. So if you leave a bit of sauce, it makes the rice nice than when you leave it so dry. What are you going to eat with your rice? It's just you eating like dry vegetable with rice. So you need a bit of sauce, not too much, just like this. Anyway, so this is how I served it. Doesn't it look delicious? And it tasted amazing as well. So try it and let me know how it went. And thank you very much once again. I keep on thanking you and you deserve it anyway. Sticking with me. And so please give it a thumbs up and share it on your social handles, and let's become bigger. Thank you once again. Thank you for watching to this end. See you in my next video. Bye.